everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. As usual, here's an overview of the things I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting out with some regular things that I typically buy at Dollar Tree. I picked up a couple of the microfiber dusters. And I just like having these on hand, keeping them in my kids' room so that daily they can just pick it up and wipe down the furniture. It makes dusting a whole lot easier. And then I picked up some self-adhesive protecting pads. I have some baskets that I added to a shelf. And because they are plastic and the shelf is painted, I thought I could put these on the bottom of the basket so that it doesn't rub the paint. And then I picked up a multi-purpose lighter with campfires rolling around for the evenings. I just like having these on hand. I did have a couple of them, and these are refillable. So, but because I didn't have any lying around, I just figured I'd pick this one up until I can buy some lighter fluid to refill the ones that I already have. And this is Beep. For my bathroom, I picked up these serviettes. You get 14 guest napkins, and I like having these in my bathroom. I have like a two-tiered rectangular tray type of thing, and at the bottom I keep these serviettes so that if somebody washes their hands or their face, then they can just take a towelette and then throw it in the garbage. I also came across these what do they call them here? Flossers. And I had not seen these before, but these are by Earth Lovin', and they had 3 different kinds. The blue is the double, twice the clean, so it's like a double floss, and it is in minty flavor. They are actually all in minty flavor. This one here is the smooth, gentle floss tape. And then the green one is the fine for tight teeth. And you do get 60 flossers in each package. Over in the floral section, I happened to come across some green garland. These are really nice. They are by Floral Garden, and they are 5.5 feet. This one here I had not purchased before, but there happened to be a couple left on the rack, so I picked them up. I also came across these really cute floral balls. Again, they are by Floral Garden, and they are the rose kissing balls, and I picked up 6. I have a DIY that I will be uploading very soon. I'm just finishing it up. It is a repurposing meets Dollar Tree. I had some frames that were going up my stairway, and I just was really tired of them, but instead of buying something else, I decided to purchase some Dollar Tree items and give them a makeover. So I really love how they have come out. So if you care to see that video, then stay tuned because it will be uploaded very soon. So I don't know whether I will be placing these on the makeover of my picture frames, and you'll see what I mean when I upload that. But I just thought they were so pretty. If I don't use them there, then definitely I can make a garland out of these, or I can even get a wire foam or a wire wreath and then use these all the way around to make a really pretty rose wreath. But these are really great. I think for $1.25 or $1.50. I think everything's pretty much gone to $1.50 at our Dollar Trees here in Canada, but I still thought that that was really pretty and a good deal. I came across these really fun signs, and what I liked about these is that they are metal. I really hope that Dollar Tree will make some of the pretty decor signs that they have in metal especially for the summer and spring season, so that if we want to place them outside in an area where it's not covered, then they will not get wrecked. So these I thought were super cute. A few of them I definitely will put in my husband's shop to add some Dollar Tree decor in there, but I may also make over a couple of them. So these are the 4 different ones that I found. This one says, Dad's Workshop, My Tools, My Rules. This one says, Dad's Garage, Always Open, Fatherly Advice, Priceless. Dad's Fishing Rules, Bait Your Own Hook, Clean Your Own Fish, Tell Your Own Fish Stories. And then the last one, Dad's Workshop, If it isn't broken, don't fix it. Go ask your mother. When in doubt, use duct tape. And last but not least, over in the beauty section, this definitely was my best find of the day, is this 1 of 1 Milk It. It is a shimmer hydro fluid, and there is 1.2 fluid ounces. And I will go ahead and open it up in a second to show you what it looks like. But this here, I did look it up on walmart.com. I couldn't find it on walmart.ca. But right now, if you had to purchase this exact size of this product, then you would be paying $19.97 American. So for $1.50, this was a fantastic deal. Let me just read the side here. Jojoba milk, genius in a bottle, baby, so milk it for all it's worth. This shimmering hydro fluid is a super moisturizing blend of jojoba milk and hyaluronic acid, bathing you in a clean and luminous glow. You need some milk, and this glass is for you. Cheers. So let me go ahead and open it and show you what it looks like. Okay, so with this, the applicator is like a dropper applicator, and you can see it's very white like milk, hence the name. And it does have a pump on the top, which is really nice. And I don't know if you would be able to tell on camera, but I'm gonna put my camera down and apply some to my skin to see if you notice the shimmer. Well guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.